Hello! So, we've done quite a few cards already, and there's more to come. And my list is getting even longer, and I love it. If you've been following my channel, you'll notice I like to shake things up a lot. Like, for this piece, I wanted to see how I'd fare using markers on my tiny 3-inch cards. Today, we're doing 02 from Darling in the Franxx. 02 is the heroine in the anime Darling in the Franxx, a human Klaxosapien hybrid. She's both alluring and quite honestly frightening. Beautiful pink hair, little red horns, and an athletic physique, yet quite fierce, cold, and very dangerous. Her character arc in the anime can be seen as a dichotomy, like two polar opposites that make her unique. Interestingly, as the story went on, she showed an apparent yet aloof yearning to be human. To belong to a race that shuns her. I mean, she is part Klaxosaur, oftentimes called a parasite or a monster. The anime in itself was interesting, and personally speaking, it didn't have the usual anime tropes that I have come to expect and love. It's really worth the watch, or in my case, a rewatch. Anyway, enough talk. Guys, I give to you 02 from Darling in the Franxx. Enjoy.